from beautiful sunny Dubai, and the beautiful sunset behind me is outstanding. It's a golden sunset for the first day of the year, 1st of January, and it's time for setting the goals, manifestation, setting the good energy, being a high vibration, and always believe in yourself because everything is possible, and this depends only on you. As the sun rises, that's how the sun sets. So the same for us. When we set the goal, we need to achieve it, and that's the ultimate experience that we can have. And through that experience, we empower ourselves with the different skills and with our best skill set that we can achieve and our best potential. With this beautiful, and I hope I inspire you for something beautiful and good. Set your goals for the year. It's the first day of the year, 1st of January. I'm here on the Jumeirah beach. I'm super enjoying my time and feel every time, every moment with energy, with good energy, with good vibes because this depends only on you. No one else will come and ask you to smile. Smile, embrace the love, open yourself for love, for new opportunity, for good, and you will see how everything will flow in your life easily. With this beautiful message, I wish you a great and beautiful day. Set your goals and take actions and believe that you can achieve anything that you put your mind into it.